In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up automatic replies in Outlook. Automatic replies are perfect for when you're away from your inbox and want people to know when you'll get back to them. Maybe you're on vacation, in a conference, or simply offline for a while. Turning on this feature lets anyone who emails you get a polite, instant response so they know you've seen their message and will follow up later. Start by opening Outlook. You can use the app on your computer or mobile device. Give it a moment to load your inbox so everything is up to date. If you use multiple accounts, make sure the account you want to manage is selected so the settings apply to the right place. Next, head to Settings. Look toward the top left corner of your screen. Depending on your version, you may see a small gear icon or a menu that leads to Settings. Go ahead and tap or click that. This is where Outlook groups your preferences, including things like notifications, appearance, and account options. Inside Settings, choose Account. This is the area that controls how your email account behaves. From here, find Automatic Replies. The wording may vary slightly by version, but you're looking for the option that handles out-of-office messages. Now, turn on Automatic Replies. You'll typically see a toggle or a switch. When you turn it on, Outlook begins sending an automatic response to incoming messages on your behalf. Many versions will show you the current message that will be sent. If you've set one before, it may still be there. Keeping your note short and professional is a good idea, including when you expect to be back and how urgent issues can be handled while you're away. Once the switch is on, you're all set. Outlook will handle the rest. If your version shows a confirmation or a banner indicating that automatic replies are active, that's a helpful visual reminder. When you're ready to return to normal, simply come back to the same place, Settings, Account, Automatic Replies, and turn it off. If you don't immediately see the Automatic Replies option, make sure you're in the correct account settings. Features can look a little different across devices and updates, so a quick scroll or a search within Settings can help you find it. And that's it. Open Outlook, go to Settings in the top left, choose Account, select Automatic Replies, and turn them on. With that done, your inbox will take care of courteous responses while you're away, and you can get back to your messages when you're ready.